Still using an older version of WinRAR, updating can give you the latest bug fixes, security improvements, and compatibility updates. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to check your current version and update WinRAR safely in just a few steps. First, let's check which version you're currently using. Open WinRAR, click Help in the top menu, and choose About WinRAR. You'll see the installed version number here. As of 2026, the latest final release is WinRAR 7.23, released on June 30th, 2026. To update WinRAR, use the official WinRAR website rather than downloading an installer from an unknown source. Open the WinRAR download page and look for the latest Windows version. The official download page currently lists WinRAR 7.23 in English, along with other languages and architectures. Most modern Windows computers use the 64-bit version, but check your Windows system type if you're not sure. On the official download page, WinRAR provides different language and architecture options, so choose the version that matches your computer. Click the download option for your selected version and save the installer. Once the download finishes, open the installer from your Downloads folder. If Windows displays a security confirmation, verify that you're running the installer you downloaded from the official WinRAR website. Now start the installation. WinRAR will show its setup window with the installation folder and file association options. For a normal update, you can usually keep the existing settings and click Install. The new version will replace the older installation while keeping WinRAR available on your system. After installation, open WinRAR again and go back to Help, then About WinRAR. Check the version number one more time. If it shows 7.23, you've successfully updated to the current final release. One more tip, check the official WinRAR site occasionally for new releases. Recent versions have included bug fixes and security-related improvements, so staying current is a good habit. And that's all it takes. Check your version, download the latest installer from the official site, install it, and verify the new version. Yeah, keeping WinRAR updated is quick and can help avoid unnecessary problems.